I'll do this.
Oh!
Hey, Aaron.
Hi.
So, what do you have?
We have 3 inflatables. 1, 2, 3.
So, we have 3 4th of July inflatables. You can see we have a Mickey, a Spongebob, and a Minnie. So,
Yes.
we're going to unbox these for you so you can see what they look like. Ready, Aaron? Which one do you want to open first?
I want to open this one.
Alright, let's go.
Then open.
There is SpongeBob's foot.
Ah! No!
It looks like somebody took him out of the bag.
Why?
Why is his foot sticking out? Alright, there he is.
I'm so excited for this one. Are you?
I am excited. We got this Spongebob at Walmart.
I remember.
Alright, where's his plug? Right there. Alright, so we're going to put the plug on and then Aaron's going to plug him in and see what he looks like. Alright, so here goes the SpongeBob.
I'm so excited.
You're excited? I'm excited. There he goes.
He's flying really fast. It looks like he's from the ocean. Oh, he's pretty big.
He's pretty thick, right?
But I think he's like... Oh, he can't stand. What if he does this?
No, he sits down.
He just sits down?
Yeah, turn him around so we can see him.
What about this? He's Chris.
Oh, he's crisscross. Look at him. He has this little Happy 4th of July banner. He's got some glasses.
But if you stand him up, you can't. He doesn't. His legs are too big.
So it says this SpongeBob is 3.2 feet tall. He looks pretty tall though.
Look, it's almost bigger than me, but I'm much bigger.
Yeah, he's pretty big. He's like a mattress. A little mattress.
He's nose.
Alright, Aaron, who's next? Alright, so next up is Mickey Mouse.
Is he way bigger than this guy?
He's not. He's 3.5 feet tall. We got him
So he's
at
smaller?
Lowe's. Huh?
So he's smaller?
Yeah, he's smaller.
How big am I?
I don't know, maybe like the same?
I don't know, but I mean, let's find out. Does it already have the plug? No, it doesn't. Ooh.
Usually the Airblown ones don't have the plug on. There he is! We have another Mickey that's bigger, that's 4th of July. Hi, Penny. She's scratching. Oh, there he goes.
He's kind of fast too. He's been up there. Oh, it's not open. He's really small.
He is really small. Definitely smaller than you. Check him out. So here is the Mickey. You can see he's wearing, like, you can see some cufflinks. And he's got a little shirt and a bow tie.
The other one has the flag.
Yeah, the other one has the flag. Well, no, the other one was Snoopy. Alright, so next up is Minnie Mouse. These Mickey and Minnie were about $40 each. They're usually about $40 each.
Poor guy. Uh-oh.
Alright, so 2 inflatables and 1 to go. Aw, Penny.
So you...
Alright, so there is the Minnie.
Here is
And there's the plug, so we got to put the plug on.
Yep.
Here is the Minnie Mouse.
There it goes.
Hey, don't kick her. Here she is. Oh my goodness, we never had a Minnie Mouse that is a 4th of July one. You can see her super cute blue bow and her little dress. Alright, here you can see the back of the Minnie. She has her fan there with her little red shoes, super cute. And her gloves. You can see here's the back of the Spongebob. He's pretty big. I mean, he's 3.2 feet. You can see the Minnie and the Mickey are 3.5 feet. So you can see the difference in the height there. And here's the back of the Mickey. Pretty simple for the price. In my opinion, I wish they were bigger. But not bad. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for nighttime so you guys can see what he looks like at night, what they look like at night, and then we'll show you how great these look. So let's do that. Hey guys, I am going to turn on the inflatables. I just thought it was really cool. I was seeing some fireflies. Of course, when I want to record them, they don't come out. There's Penny. Mickey's up. SpongeBob's taking a little bit. And Minnie's still laying down. But she's not anchored, so here comes SpongeBob. Hey, there he is. Did you see his nose pop up? And then Minnie. Minnie, wake up from your beauty rest. There she is. Alright, so this is what they look like at night. Super cute. The faces are lit up great, and SpongeBob looks great. Can't wait to do the full display. These are the last 4th of July inflatables that I'm going to unbox before, and then I'm going to set up my display. So I'm excited for that. Alright guys. Alright guys, so it's super hot out here. It's humid. So let us know which one of these inflatables is your favorite, or if you like them. And thank you guys so much for watching. And bye.
Bye.
Oh, he threw the ball. Here, I'll do this.